Customizing your pre-order email template is a great way to keep customers informed after they place a pre-order. You can easily personalize these emails using variables that automatically pull in customer and order details. Here's how to set it up. Open the Pre-Order Now app and go to the Settings section. Click on Email Settings to open the template editor. You'll see a default template with placeholders that you can modify to match your brand's tone. Start by adding a catchy email subject line to grab attention. Next, add a header that gives a quick introduction about what the email is about. Variables make things easy by automatically adding details like the customer's first and last name or their order number. In the line item details section, you can include product and order information to give customers more details about their purchase. You'll see a default message here as an example. The line footer usually includes a closing message and support information, so feel free to use the available variables to personalize that part too. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply your updates. Your customized email will now be sent automatically when a customer places a pre-order.